What's up, peep? This is your boy Jay. Today, I'm going to be coming with a new episode or stream episodes called Table Talk. Now, Table Talk is going to be me talking about issues dealing with white supremacists with all their anti-black racism. Okay. Besides, my videos that I do with cards and stuff like that, I'm also going to be talking about social issues here in America. And with this first episode of Table Talk, we're going to be talking about an incident that took place in Monroe, Michigan, where a 42-year-old or a 43-year-old white supremacist hits a black teenager in his mouth or in his face with a bike lock and yelling racial slurs at him. And I quote, one of the quotes was, "Niggers don't belong here." We need to talk about this here, people. We need to really talk about this. Because the issue that I'm having here is that when white folks project their anti-black racism against our children, don't none of you niggas got no smoke for him. We seen it with Trayvon Martin and George Zimmerman. We seen that. We see it with Tamir Rice or any other of our young teenagers that's been hurt by white supremacists, whether they carry a badge or just a general white supremacist, period. But the issue is, you niggas don't have no smoke for these white supremacists who practices their anti-black racism against our children. Now let one of us get into an incident and hit a teenager in the face with a damn bike lock, and look how many of you niggas gonna come storm that nigga's house trying to take him out. Where's all you tough niggas when it comes to these white folks practicing their and projecting their anti-black racism against our children? Where the fuck is y'all at? Where the fuck is you niggas at? You niggas are so tough on the block with your guns and shit, toting like y'all just the big bad motherfucking bosses of the neighborhood. But when these white folks project their anti-black racism against us and our children, you weak ass niggas ain't got no smoke for them. But you sure got some smoke for us if we try to do some shit that they do to each other. I don't get this. And in fact, I do get it. Because a lot of you fake, hard, OG, weak ass niggas that call yourself gangsters and thugs and this, y'all ain't nothing but a bunch of weak ass bitches. Bunch of bitch ass, goof ass niggas. That's all y'all are. And I'm calling you weak ass niggas out every time. Problem is, you niggas are so motherfucking tough with each other, but you ain't got no smoke for these white supremacists. You ain't got no smoke for them. You ain't got no smoke for them. They can continue to project their anti-black racism against our children and harm one of our kids, and what the fuck do y'all niggas do? Nothing. You don't do a damn thing. But let one of us harm a young black child in any form or fashion. Oh, you coming for our fucking head. See, that goes to show you how weak and slave-minded you weak-ass niggas is. You punk-ass bitches ain't got no smoke for these white supremacists when they hurt one of our young ones. Y'all whole-ass niggas ain't got no smoke for them. But you sure got smoke for another black person if they did something to one of ours. You sure got some. You the toughest gangster on the block. You got the biggest gun on the block. You and all your little coward ass homies. Y'all bitch ass niggas ain't got no smoke for these white supremacists. Y'all ain't got no smoke. You weak ass niggas ain't got no smoke for them. So they can continue projecting their anti-black racism against our motherfucking children. While you weak ass, hardcore, OG gangsta ass, fake thug ass niggas thinking, oh, wait, man, I'm a tough nigga, man. I'm a gangster, I'm a G, I'm this, that, and other. Oh, I'm gonna kill a nigga about. Look at y'all scary, stupid asses out of here. Bitch ass niggas ain't finna do nothing. At least to them anyway. That we know. Now, let one of them come and do some harm to one of your kids. Y'all bitch ass niggas ain't finna do shit. Y'all finna have a come to Jesus moment with them. Let one of us do something to one of your children. Oh, you finna be coming tearing down our door. So, let me end table talk with this. Well, when these white folks, these white supremacists are continuing to practice their anti-black racism against us, I just want to know, well, the fuck are you so-called gangster hard-ass niggas at when they projecting this anti-black racism? This has been an episode of Table Talk with your boy Jay, and signing off. Peace.